Welcome. This channel is about helping you with your online venture. The promise of making money from home through a website, a YouTube channel, a blog, and so forth is totally true. You can make a comfortable extra income and even fire your boss. All you need to do is learn how. So let us help. Internet Marketer Training by George Pierce proudly presents.
Welcome to Mr. P's Internet Marketer Training channel. This video is about Invideo AI, which is a free online video generator. Invideo AI has been mentioned in previous videos. Recently, the software generated a number of pleasant surprises, and that is part of what I want to share with you. Invideo does have a free version. It is one that you can actually use, and the software will generate a video from text. You can provide it with as little information as a subject or topic and it will create a video. Of course, the more details the better. It makes it easier for the software to generate exactly what you want. The free version of Invideo AI provides you with 10 minutes of AI-generated videos per week. Watermark. Some of the images will have watermarks as well as the Invideo watermark. Unlimited access to premium images and videos from Storyblocks and Shutterblock, with watermarks. 4 exports per week. 720p resolution, 10 gigabytes of storage. Sharing your videos on social media. The software has a 4.8 customer satisfaction rating out of 5.0. The software will amaze you. Recently, Mr. P created a children's video with Invideo's free software, a lengthy story of a futuristic Rapunzel, loaded with details and specifics. The software not only created an awesome video, it came up with a few surprises. It gave the narrator a British accent, a nice touch. The digital entity that kept Rapunzel was unnamed. It named it Mother, and it added Rapunzel discovering the old fairy tale, Rapunzel, and relating to the story, of course, and then using it as a springboard for escape. I share this because you will find that Invideo AI will overdeliver. Thank you for watching.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.